Hi, I'm Dominic. I am ATC's customer specialist, and today we're going to talk about automatic gen start. This is going to come on any toy hauler, any play model that has the Firefly and has a generator. So today I'm going to show you how you can turn on your automatic gen start. This is great for a lot of customers who have pets. They want to go to the store, they want to go on a hike, want to leave their pets in the trailer. They can leave them in here with the peace of mind that if their batteries get too low, that generator is going to automatically pop on. Their ACs are going to work, lights are going to work, and they're good to go. I want to show you quick, while we're here on the home screen, you can start your generator from inside of the trailer. So you look here, batteries are low, we want to get that generator running so it can charge your batteries. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down this start button for 3 seconds. I'll hear that generator start to kick on. And then what you'll see is your amps start to go up. We're getting a charge. Now, if I want to turn automatic gen start on, I'm going to go here to our electrical screen and you'll see AGS. Right now it says disabled. I'm going to click on disabled. You'll get a warning screen. Now it is really important that you don't start your automatic gen start while you're inside of the building. Not safe. Once I am outside, what I'm going to do is hold down enable for 3 seconds. And you'll see this screen pop up. That means your automatic gen start is on. Now, coming out of the factory, we have it set to either start at 12.5 volts or 40% battery, depending on your energy package. So once your batteries get down to either 12.5 volts or 40%, your automatic gen start will automatically kick on and you're good to go.